Hello and welcome to our unboxing and review of the GoPro HERO9 Black. This waterproof action camera is packed with impressive features, including a front LCD screen, touch rear screen, 5K Ultra HD video capabilities, 20MP photos, 1080p live streaming, and more. As we open up the packaging, we're greeted with the HERO9 Black front and center. The camera itself is compact and lightweight, making it easy to take with you on all of your adventures. One of the standout features of the HERO9 Black is its front LCD screen. This allows you to easily preview your shots and make adjustments on the fly. The touch rear screen is also a great feature, allowing for easy navigation through the camera's menu and settings. In terms of image quality, the HERO9 Black does not disappoint. It's capable of capturing 5K Ultra HD video, as well as 20MP photos. The camera also has impressive stabilization technology, ensuring that your shots are smooth and steady. The HERO9 Black also has a range of shooting modes, including time-lapse, slow motion, and more. And with its 1080p live streaming capabilities, you can share your adventures in real time with friends and family. Another great feature of the HERO9 Black is its webcam capabilities. With just a few simple steps, you can use the camera as a high-quality webcam for video calls and online meetings. Overall, the GoPro HERO9 Black is a fantastic waterproof action camera that's packed with features and capable of capturing stunning image and video quality. It's definitely worth considering for your next adventure. Thanks for watching.
We are just going on a little adventure.
Because I'm learning that a lot of my neighbors like to walk around their apartments naked. So.